Focal 300 ICW 8 proof in ceiling that actually plays bass.
Last dinner party, my friend paused the music, looked up and asked, "Wait, where are your speakers?" I pointed at the ceiling and watched his jaw drop. That was the moment I realized my living room had officially ghosted visible speakers. Drop same if you're tired of explaining your ugly boxes to guests.
That low-key embarrassment when beautiful rooms get ruined by black rectangles staring at you. Cluttered, distracting. You love music but hate the visual noise. But imagine sound this good that literally vanishes into your walls and ceiling. Keep watching because that impossible just became my everyday flex.
Then the Focal 300 ICW 8 showed up. 8-inch flax cone that actually moves air like a real woofer. Inverted aluminum magnesium tweeter you can aim like a spotlight. EQI tool-free install that locks in with a push. Paintable magnetic grills that disappear completely. 3-way tweeter level switch for perfect room tuning. Pivoting tweeter for off-axis sweetness. And French-made build quality that feels like jewelry for your drywall. True story. Client walked through at 2 a.m., don't ask, needed to demo the theater room. Hit play on the reference track. Client stopped talking mid-sentence, looked around confused, finally whispered, "This is coming from the ceiling?" I just nodded while he stood there with goosebumps. That feeling when your install makes grown men question reality? Absolutely priceless.
Here's how it actually hits. Guests stop seeing speakers. Music fills the room like magic. Bass feels physical without a sub in sight. Conversations happen over the system instead of around it. Your house finally sounds as good as it looks. Audio reviewers say the Flax Cone mid-range is addictively natural. One integrator told me he uses the 300 ICW 8 as his demo piece because clients sign contracts the second they hear it. Analysts say Focal owns the premium architectural category because nobody else does natural materials at this level. A homeowner told me his wife finally stopped complaining about those ugly towers. My personal high? Walking into the kitchen while jazz plays and forgetting there are speakers at all, just pure music floating. Biggest objection I hear is, "But in-wall can't sound serious." Cool, until you hear these and realize your old towers were the compromise. See why thousands of designers and audiophiles won't shut up about the Focal 300 ICW 8 right now. Quick, comment your room type if you're ready to make your speakers disappear.
Imagine walking into your room, and the only thing you notice is how good the music sounds. No boxes, no grills, no visual noise. Join the architects, designers, and secret audiophiles already living this invisible hi-fi life with the Focal 300 ICW 8. If you're tired of choosing between sound and style, I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Click it, look at the install photos, feel your walls thank you. No pressure, just better sound waiting. Go make your room jealous.